In this example, let's say I work on the sales team and I need to create a high-stakes client pitch. I start in PDF Spaces, the secure workspace inside Acrobat Studio. This is where I bring together everything I need for the pitch. Background research on secure financial, earnings documents, discovery notes, and product collateral into one centralized hub. PDF Spaces supports up to 100 documents, so I never have to worry about leaving anything out. Without needing to prompt it, Studio's AI scans the uploaded materials and gives me a high-level summary of Secure Financial's earnings, products, and priorities. I cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Next, I can go deeper by telling the AI assistant what to focus on. I can select a pre-built assistant or customize my own, naming it and defining its role. I create a sales assistant that understands requirements, our product's use cases, and how to position them. The assistant quickly identifies key pain points and recommends how our product can address them. Each insight includes clickable citations that link directly to the source documents, so I can validate and explore further if needed. With a clear understanding of the client's needs, I ask the assistant to generate a first draft of the proposal. It focuses on top priorities and aligns with the discussion points from our meeting. I save this draft as a note, giving me a solid foundation to refine the strategy and layer in my expertise. I share the PDF space with my colleague, sharing not just a file, but the full context. So we're aligned and can move faster without extra meetings. Now that the content for the proposal is built, I can take it to the next level with a professional design. From the Acrobat Studio home, I jump right into Adobe Express, where I can choose from a template, or start with the company's branded design. I bring in the text from my PDF space, then use Express's intuitive editing tools to add tables, charts, or embedded video. And with access to a full library of Adobe stock images and fonts, it's easy to create a polished proposal. After sharing the draft for internal review in Acrobat, I can see feedback comments in one place with the right context. If there's a visual update needed, I can edit the image directly using Express tools or generate a new one using Firefly, Adobe's AI model trained on commercially safe data. Finally, I hit share and send the proposal to Secure Financial. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.